Hi, all sub Zippo here. Back in the summer of 2025, I had the good fortune of winning this one-of-a-kind, or is it three-of-a-kind, very limited edition Skyrim gaming keyboard from Bethesda's Skyrim 10th anniversary Twitch stream. It's a lovely keyboard, but I haven't had any use for it. It's just been sitting in my basement. The box has been gathering dust, it's been in my way, and I've wanted to donate it to charity for some time. So hopefully I can work with my good friend Wes Johnson and the good people at Bethesda and get this auctioned off to charity or otherwise donated sometime soon. I don't have any hard plans at this time, but I wanted to unbox it here for my YouTube channel and show it all to you before it becomes available somehow to the general public. So for your consideration, here is this limited edition, very rare, unique Skyrim gaming keyboard. Alright, we're going white glove here. I got these white gloves that showed up as some kind of cosplay. I don't even know where they came from, but they're good enough for this purpose. Already opened this once, but I didn't fully unwrap everything. And I certainly never used it. So it's in mint condition. And I'll be rewrapping it as soon as I'm done with this. So you got no dust, no smoke, no pet dander, brand new. If I can figure out the best way to do this. There we go. Wish I had professional lighting in my room, just some LED lamps. Oh. Nice right in the box. Let me adjust this. So. Professionally boxed too. It's lovely. You got the closest you're going to get to a certificate of authenticity. Variant Thief. Skyrim 10-year mechanical keyboard. Doesn't want to give, and I can't get a grip on it with these gloves. Oh. There it goes. Some velvet fabric there. Paper's gotten a little rattled, but it's just tissue paper. What do you expect? Lovely design here. Sort of a black glossy marble, I believe like the Skyrim level up screen. The 10th anniversary watermark, I guess you could call it. This thing is hefty. And here you are, your keyboard. Code button. I assume it can be programmed in some ways. Again, the Skyrim 10th logo. Like I say, this is hefty. It's back to the phone. And included with the box and all the wrapping, I believe were some custom keys. What the heck is this? Artisan keycap. If you want one of your keys to be 10th anniversary, There you are. And I guess that's it. And that's the Skyrim gaming keyboard. Follow my channel if you're a chance to win this beauty at auction.